think history gives us a powerful perspective into our present, but also into our futures. You're not reading history to understand 1600. You're reading history to understand yourself today and tomorrow. My research is focused on the experiences of people of African descent in Latin America. And so the research is about kind of understanding those experiences both in enslavement, but also in times of freedom, and how we can learn from that. The primary source is a very powerful thing. It gives you a little window into someone's insights, their personal motivations from 400 years ago. There's a way of bringing that past, which can be abstract, into immediate relief. It's not abstract anymore. I've been at the university for 10 years now, and I've created 12 courses in that time, and I don't think I'll stop. Because I think there's so much we just don't know. There's this word in Spanish, inquieto. It's this kind of incessant need to keep learning more, and then also to share that learning experience with the students. The study of slavery is rather the beginning of our studies of inequity. There's no way of comprehending why Black populations are still under-resourced, why they have less educational resources, less access to potable water in most of the Americas if we don't start with enslavement. It was continental, it was transatlantic. We're still living with its consequences. I think that students are driven by this idea of how do we get better? How do we become more just? How do we become more equitable? So the kind of courses that I'm teaching now are driven by these larger concerns about inequity. It's the idea that this deep research can affect not just how we perceive the past, but also the kind of programs that we need to develop to build more equitable societies in the future. Boundless possibility is the idea that there are no constraints to what we do, to our research, and to its impact. It's a very promising time to be here at the U of R, and I think we will see this through.